Have you ever wondered how some people manage to build wealth with seemingly effortless ease? Well, one of the most powerful tools they use is real estate investing. This is not just about buying a house and hoping it appreciates. It's a strategic approach that can provide a steady stream of income from rental properties, offer substantial tax benefits, and serve as a solid hedge against inflation. With real estate, location is key. The right location can significantly enhance a property's value and rental potential. Understanding market trends is also crucial. By keeping an eye on the general direction of the real estate market, savvy investors can anticipate opportunities and challenges. Moreover, real estate offers the potential for leveraging. This means using borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment. So let's dispel the myth. Real estate investing isn't just for the rich and famous. It's a path to financial freedom that's open to anyone willing to learn and take action. Consider Jane, an ordinary individual with an extraordinary vision. Jane began her journey in real estate with one modest property. She was not born into wealth, nor did she win the lottery. Jane started with a single house and a vision for financial independence. She invested time in understanding the real estate market, studying trends, and learning about property management. She had sleepless nights, made mistakes, but with every setback, she learned and improved. Her patience and commitment paid off when she successfully turned her first property into a profitable rental. Jane didn't stop there. She took her lessons and used them to slowly expand her portfolio. Each property was a strategic decision based on careful research and understanding of the market. Her success wasn't built overnight or on luck. It was built on perseverance, strategic decision-making, and an unwavering commitment to her vision. Jane's story shows us that success in real estate investing is about more than just buying properties. It's about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and being committed to your vision. Ready to embark on your own real estate investing journey? It's a thrilling adventure that's both rewarding and challenging. As you set out on this path, remember that knowledge truly is power. Investing in real estate isn't about taking wild risks. It's about making informed decisions. So arm yourself with knowledge. There's a vast world of books, courses, and mentorship programs out there ready to provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Think of your journey as a marathon, not a sprint. It's about setting clear, achievable goals. Whether you're aiming to buy your first rental property, flip a house, or build a real estate empire, remember that every successful investor started somewhere. The path may be long and at times challenging, but the rewards can be substantial. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your real estate investing journey today, and who knows where you might end up. Subscribe for more videos.